Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl STRASHME here with Morphe using the 35C and listening to the universe to create this iconic inner artist look. Stay tuned. Now, if you guys know me, you know I am totally into spirituality and like the spirit realm. I am into zodiac. I actually have an astrology segment on my channel called Astrology with Ashley. But today we are going to be featuring the 35C Everyday Chic palette. And this palette is so earth toned, so gemstoned. Earth tone gemstone, ooh, soundbite period. I actually have some crystals here that are inspiring me. I have them laid all around me to create this beautiful, creative, artistic circle so that I can own them and get inspired. This is rose quartz here. We're gonna go through these crystals. Rose quartz, I have amethyst. This is fool's gold. You've probably seen this if you like to do gold panning or you've done a little mountain hike. This is green calcite. Green calcite is connection to nature. I've let these crystals inspire me, so now I'm ready to open this palette. We're gonna open it together. This is actually my first time seeing it too. 35C Everyday Chic, oh my gosh. The first color I wanna jump into is this green tone and this tone. Oh, but this whole row right here is actually inspiring me. Thank you so much, crystals. We're gonna go and we're gonna create the most iconic look with this row right here. I think we're just gonna stick to it. The first color I wanna jump in with, actually, you know what? I'm getting a little bit too ahead of myself. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna utilize the neutrals in this palette and I'm gonna contour out my bone structure of my eye because I'm definitely gonna want these shades to lead the way and tell me what I'm gonna be creating today. So we're gonna go in with neutral tones and hopefully they start to speak to me and we'll get a creative look going. So we're gonna go in with this Morphe neutral and this one's called Cute Shoes. I'm gonna jump in with this because cute shoes are definitely an everyday chic staple. And I'm actually just gonna go in and start to blow this out into my crease. I like to do this to add dimension to my eye and get that really fierce accentuation for my lid. Ooh, I love that. Actually turned a little bit pinker than I initially thought, but I don't hate it. I actually really like it. This is speaking to me. This is starting to guide me towards the look that I'm doing today. I'm so here for this. I have no idea the look that I'm doing, like in true honesty. I'm actually gonna be depending on the spirit guides. So just so production knows. We don't know where this is going. Cute Shoes was a cute hit. And so we are going to jump into the next shade, which I always actually like to add a little bit of depth here and here. It just really makes my nose look snatched. This is a little tip, but I'm gonna go in and pack a little bit of depth here. And I'm actually gonna be doing that with Getting Ready. This is a little bit of a deeper mauve, more gray tone base. And we're gonna hope that it gives us some shadow on, I think, the inner high point and the outer wing point. So let's go in with a smaller brush too. This is gonna be a more controlled blend. It's supposed to add a little bit of depth. Just a little bit, not too much. Yes. Oh my God, that worked perfectly. Oh, what is happening? Do you see what happens when you just let the spirits take over, you guys? I start foaming at the mouth and my eyes rolling back, that's all. Like, nobody freak out. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the outer corner. So now the shade that I've actually been the most excited to play with is called Playtime. So that's actually, we're on the same page, me and the spirit guides. And I'm gonna go in and start to create a bit of a graphic moment. I want this to be kind of a harsh cut through the crease and to the outer corner. So let's go in with a dense short brush, something a little thinner. So this is a really shallowed angle brush. It's gonna cup the eye really nicely and I'm gonna go in and just pack that color on to the end of the brush. I'm gonna start to map out where I want this to go, starting here. So now that I have the basic placement and the structure, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and then we're gonna jump into some more fun colors. Okay, you guys, I promised I was gonna go with the flow in this video and I had an epiphany on the other side of my eye. I decided to blur this line out and jump into more metallics. And so I went ahead and I blurred this line out with the Morphe E18 brush. These metallics are really speaking to me, and just like crystals, I want this look to have kind of a gradient crystal effect. So I'm gonna go on the outer corner with these two shades and I'm gonna gradually start to build it into this. So we're gonna jump in first with these two shades on the outer corner of the wing. We're just like fitting this right into the frame of this eyeshadow. This is an interesting placement for even me, you guys. I'm like experimenting on camera. This is fun. So I actually like this right here because it's really accentuating my brow bone, which is something you just don't see. I feel like so many people just try to mute this area and like push it backwards. But I think summer 2020 is all about trying new things. I mean, the universe is in chaos, so why not? So Selfie Sesh is really giving us a really cute metallic moment. And now I wanna see how Selfie Sesh and Fancy This kind of blend together. So I'm gonna do that shade right here. Ooh. Once you build this up, it's very opaque. I like that. So the next color I'm gonna jump in with is the shade Ooh La La. I'm gonna wet this just a little bit, and this is going to be my lid color. And then I'm gonna use the shade Talk of the Town as my lid topper. So we're gonna add a little bit of setting spray, and I'm gonna just lay this onto my lid. I want to get the most out of this shade because this is the highest point of the eye. Oh yes, that is better than I imagined. Oh my gosh, you see what happens when you just live and let go? Okay, so now we're gonna go in with Talk of the Town. I'm gonna put this directly on the center of my lid. Let's hope that this is as show-stopping as it is in the palette on my eye. Okay, I'm nervous now. I built it up so much. It's just like, okay. Now I'm gonna add this just for like extra. Okay. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Oh my God, I need another layer. Hold on. Oh my God. Yes, center of lid, take the show. What? Oh my God, and then I'm gonna like let it like trickle out. I'm gonna let it trickle out into the metallics back here. Oh my God, Starry Night, what? Period. Who is she? Look at this, okay. Can I do the other side? Like right now, okay. Okay, you guys, I did the other eye off camera and it came through. So this is the look, this is the eye look with the glitter and the metallic buildup. I am so excited. I'm actually gonna do one more metallic moment right on my brow bone, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Hello There with a fluffy brush. I don't want this to be too harsh. I am just going to melt this shade into the highest point of my brow bone and start to fill in and kind of give this glitter somewhere to go. It's kind of cascading off. We're not gonna fill the whole brow bone in. We're just having a little bit of like light reflective fun. Yes, okay. I'm actually living for that really fun kind of 90s throwback frosted brow bone. I really think that should make a comeback. People really underestimate the power of a brow bone moment. I'm gonna be contouring with the Complexion Pro palette. I'm gonna be using a combination of contour and the bronzer just to highlight those cheekbones and really tone down that forehead, honey. Okay, Complexion Pro. Okay, now that I've completed the eye, these lashes are definitely making this feel fun and flirty. I'm so excited to jump in with the lips. So I wanna keep the earth tone vibes alive and jump in with Sweet Teeth Aligner, Bare All the Lipstick, and the new Glassified Lip Oil from the Morphe 2 launch. So let's jump right in. Ooh, that is keeping things nice and pastel, actually. I'm living for this, we're gonna keep it. Oh my God, period. Ugh. I'm gonna finish this off, this whole look off with the Morphe setting spray, you guys. Of course, it's a given. Two hours later. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this Get Ready With Me using the Everyday Chic 35C palette. My name is STRASHME, and you can find me at STRASHME on all of my social media, including my Twitter, which actually has an extra E at the end. The next time you guys want the universe to inspire you, make sure you are hashtagging MORPHEBABE, tagging me in your photo so that I can repost you and Morphe can repost you. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, okay, come take this off my head. I'm so scared. Morphe.